First question. How many legs does a spider have?
8.
What is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story?
40.
What is the color of an emerald?
Green.
What is something you hit with a hammer?
Nail.
What's the name of a place you go to see lots of animals?
Zoo.
Whose nose grew longer every time he lied?
Pinocho.
What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan?
Fairy. Jingle Bell.
Very good. If you freeze water, what do you get?
Ice.
What colors are the stars on the American flag?
White.
Where does the President of the United States live?
White House.
How many planets are in our solar system?
How many planets? 8.
What fruit do kids traditionally give to teachers?
Apple.
Which Disney movie is Elsa in?
Problem.
Who is Mickey Mouse's girlfriend?
Minnie Mouse.
Where does Santa Claus live?
North Pole.
Which state is famous for Hollywood?
Hollywood.
Next question. What type of fish is Nemo?
Clownfish.
What do caterpillars turn into?
Butterfly.
What is the color of a school bus?
Yellow.
What do you use to write on a blackboard?
Chalk.
On which holiday do you go trick-or-treating?
Halloween.
How many pairs of wings do bees have?
2.
How many days are in a year?
350.
Okay, very good. What is a group of lions called?
A pig. A third.
What? Again? What is a group of lions called?
A pride.
Very good. What is the what color are Smurfs?
Blue.
How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
Which superhero can climb up walls and buildings?
Spider-Man.
Very good. Which planet in our solar system is known for having a ring?
Saturn.
Very good.
Saturn.
What is the largest mammal in the world?
Whale.
How many colors are in a rainbow?
7.
Who was the first American president?
George Washington.
Which country is home to the kangaroo? Home. Which animal is the tallest in the world?
Tallest?
Yes.
Giraffe.
Very good, giraffe. Okay, next question is, what do pandas eat?
Pandas eat bamboo.
Very good. Which place is called the happiest place in the world?
Disney World.
Okay. What is the largest state in America?
Largest state?
Yes.
America.
What is the smallest state in America?
Rhode Island.
2 of the planets in our solar system begin with the letter M. Okay, very good. How many bones do sharks have?
0.
Can you name the closest star to Earth?
Sun.
Very good.